Did you know everyone has a family, but talking about them in English is like super hard?
Wait, what? It's hard? I mean, I have a mom and a dad. That is easy.
Yeah, but in a new language, when someone says, "Tell me about your family," people panic. Oh, welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. And yeah, you're right. When people ask me that, my brain just stops.
Literally, it just freezes. It's like a big blank wall.
A big blank wall. Yes, exactly. I forget every word.
So today, we are going to fix that. We will make it super, super easy.
Okay, good, because I need help. My family is very loud.
Loud. That is a great word. Loud.
Really loud. Like my brother, oh man, he is.
Wait, stop right there. Brother. That is our first big word today.
Brother? That's an easy word, Luna. I know brother.
It is, but wait, do you have a big brother or a little brother?
He is big. Very big. He eats a lot of food.
No. I mean, is he older or younger than you?
Oh, older. He is older. Ah, so big brother means older brother.
Exactly. Big brother means older. Little brother means younger.
Okay, wait. So it's not about size, like being tall?
Nope, it's just about age. Big is older, little is younger.
Wow, okay. English is weird. So I have a big brother.
Perfect. And what about sisters? Do you have sisters?
I have one little sister. She is annoying.
Annoying. Another really great word.
Is that a bad word? I mean, I love her, but
No, it's normal. Families are annoying. It means she makes you crazy, right?
yes, she makes me so crazy, always taking my things.
See? You are already talking about your family. It's that simple.
Huh, I guess so. But what if someone asks about my parents?
Parents. Good word. Parents means your mom and dad.
Yeah, mom and dad. But saying my mom is nice feels boring.
True. It's a little boring. Let's add color.
Color? Like my mom is red?
No, not real color, Lucas.
Oh, I was so confused, Luna.
I mean, let's add fun words, describing words.
Oh, now I get it. Fun words. Like what?
Well, think of a warm blanket on a really cool day.
Okay, a warm blanket.
That is the word kind. Someone who is sweet and warm. Kind.
Kind. My mom is kind. Yes, I like that.
Exactly. My mom is very kind. It sounds beautiful.
Okay, what about my dad? He works a lot.
He works a lot. You can say he is hardworking.
Hardworking. Okay.
Like a busy bee. Always moving, always working.
Yes, my dad is a busy bee. He is very hardworking.
Perfect. So put it together. Tell me about your parents, Lucas.
Okay. My mom is kind, and my dad is hardworking.
Wow, that sounds so good. Very natural.
Really? It didn't sound like a robot?
Not at all. It sounded 100% human.
Awesome. But wait, family isn't just mom, dad, brother, sister.
Right? What else do you have in your family?
I have a dog. Does he count? His name's Max.
Yes, pets are family. You literally have to talk about Max.
Oh, good, because Max is my favorite. Don't tell my sister.
Your secret is safe with me. So how do we introduce pets?
I have a dog? Is that right?
Yes, but we can make it even better. Let's talk about the verb to have.
Oh boy, verbs. Now I'm scared again.
Don't be scared, Lucas. It is so easy.
You say that, Luna, but grammar is hard.
No. Think of a pizza.
Oh, I love pizza.
Right. If you hold a pizza, you say, I have a pizza.
Okay, I have a pizza. Easy.
Good. Now change pizza to a dog.
I have a dog. Wow, that is really simple.
Exactly. And for your sister, you say, I have a sister.
So I have a dog, I have a sister. I have a mom?
Yes, you got it. But wait, here is the trick.
Uh-oh, the trick. I knew it.
What if we talk about Max? Max is a he.
Right, Max is a boy dog.
So we don't say he have, we say he has.
He has. Okay, like Max has a ball?
Yes, perfect.
Max has a ball. He has a ball.
Oh, I have, you have, he has.
And she has, like your sister. She has a brother.
Because I am her brother. I get it.
See? You are a grammar master, Lucas.
Maybe. So wait, what about big families?
Like your grandparents?
Yeah, what do I call my mom's mom?
Grandma or grandmother.
Grandma. That sounds warm, like cookies.
Yes, grandma makes cookies. And the dad?
Grandpa. I know that one.
Yep, grandma and grandpa. Very easy.
What about my aunt's kids?
Ah, they are your cousins.
Cousins. Are they boys or girls?
Both. Cousin is for a boy or a girl.
Wait, really? Just one word for both?
Yep, English is nice sometimes.
Thank goodness. So I can say I have 3 cousins.
Perfect. Now, I need to warn you about a big mistake.
Oh no, a mistake? What do people do wrong?
When they talk about age, like how old they are.
Oh, like I have 20 years?
No. Never say that in English.
Ah, why not? In my language, we have years.
I know. But in English, you don't hold years like a pizza.
Okay, so what do I say?